Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Sandia Spotter machine. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it will help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Say we need to replace the solution screen. Very simple. All you need to do is grab the solution screen, and it is threaded on there. So pull the old one out, just like that. Now at this point in time, if all you need to do is clean it, go ahead and give it a good cleaning, or if you need to replace it, get your new one. Find the water line where it goes, and just thread it back down on there. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below, or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.